Oh yeah.
What is happening, everyone? What's popping? What is actually doing on
Boy!
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today the Revolver V5 V8 has come back. What's come back?
Oh yeah.
No, but honestly, the Revolver's here again. For how many times has this been released? Like, I think it's the third time.
Yes.
Not the first one, okay? Not the second one. Definitely not that one. That one's Garbo. But the new one, it's pretty good. I've used it a few times. And there's one more thing, guys. It's kind of sad. So you better get your tissues out, alright? My man Havoc's gonna be gone soon. It is sad that I'm gonna have to get rid of him, but I've lost my love for him, man.
Oh no.
So I'm going to be looking. I have a few skins in mind that are going to be my next main skin, or like the next main skin on my channel. But when I am buying this skin, I'm going to be using code PointsDBob, which you should be using too in the shop. It's been so long since I've dropped Lazy, I'm not even kidding, bro. Honestly, I kind of like this place, you know? Most of the time I just die in the water. That's why I love it. Can I get an actual gun, please? I don't remember a baller being in the middle of the ocean.
Denied.
I know it's been a few weeks, but I still miss Polar. Man, come on. What is that?
Making my way through the hood, sipping this yak.
Are you? Oh, this thing's aim is terrible. How? How? He's an idiot. No way you're getting away. No way this guy's actually gonna get away. Okay, if that guy would have gotten away, I probably would have left the game. Here it is. The old smelly revolver. I think I just heard the new revolver. Ooh! Okay, cool. Where did he come?
Yes.
I'm the magical man from Happy Land in a gumdrop house on Lollipop Lane.
Come down here, llama. No, default, please.
Nah, B.
Yes, he's coming back. Never mind. He's going back up.
Yes.
Alright, he's hitting it again. Okay, I can't get up on anything. Where is this revolver? I'm starting to think it's not even in the game. I think that's a guy.
Correct!
No, man. Okay, we're good, alright? We're good. Okay. Well, I've lost all chances of getting a revolver this game. Cool. Yep.
Stupid.
Are you recording, Crystal?
Let me in. Got him. And he had the revolver.
Let's do this.
Wow.
I haven't really for real used this. Every time I've kind of found it, I've kind of just dropped it. But now that I finally have it, I can really use it till endgame. So there's a guy right here.
Don't do it. No, that's not good.
That's soccer skin, dude. How? Okay, alright. Did not know I was in this fight. Man, this took 40 of my health, bro. Oh my god. Got him. Better get that launch pad ready. Stop, man. You're not getting it. What? Yeah, now you camp in your box. Get wrecked, boy! Do it one more time. I want you to. You know what? Wait! Got him! What even was that? Oh my god! Okay, yeah, alright. Oh! Hitting for 66 again.
I am inevitable.
Nice.
Wow. Really? Was that it? I mean, it's a win. I'll take it, but like, dang. This is the 5th crossbow I've seen this game. Holy crap. The 6th.
Ooh, you suck.
Really? The 7th. The 8th. Wait, this guy is literally 29. Now this man's a true hero. Oh! There is a guy down here. He just laughed. Oh my god!
TTD, by the way.
There you go, buddy. You deserve that. You could just hear him breaking his monitor behind that little eye.
No.
Both of our aim is probably some of the worst I've ever seen in my life. Soccer skin. Got him! Ooh!
Denied.